Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change distance preferences on Tinder. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder app, and after that, as you can see on the top right, on the top left of the screen, there is some settings icon. Click on it, and as you can see here you will find the maximum distance option, and you can change it to more or less kilometers depending on where you want to find people that you want to match with them. So for example, if you put it to 2 kilometers, that means that the apps will show you only people who are far from you by maximum 2 kilometers. And if you put it to 160, which is the maximum, the app will show you people who are far from you even by 160 kilometers. And that's it. Like that, you can change the distance option, the maximum distance option. And after that, you have to click on the right icon on the top right of the screen, like that. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.